we discuss about measures of central tendency. What are other names? Measures of location and averages, or as the measures of averages. So what does that mean? So average or measures of location means it's a single numerical figure. Single numerical figure which represents entire data. Okay. Now, as far as measures of central tendency is concerned, based upon the data types, there are different types of measures of central tendency, or else measures of averages, or else the types of the averages. Types of the averages. The very first one is positional averages. Positional averages. The second type are mathematical averages. Mathematical averages. The third type is known as business averages. Business averages. So based upon the data, based upon the situation, these three variety kinds of averages can be applied to get only that single numerical figure which represents the data. It is just like a captain of a team. Okay. Now, what are the various types of the positional averages? The first one is the median. The second one is known as mode. Median, mode. What are mathematical averages? The very first one is arithmetic mean. The second one is geometric mean. The third one is harmonic mean. Same under business averages, the very important one is nothing but weighted average, or else weighted arithmetic mean. So these are the three broad categorization of the averages. What are those? The first one is the positional averages. The second one is the mathematical averages. The third type are business averages. So what is that? Well-known business average, weighted average, or else weighted arithmetic mean. Under mathematical averages, this arithmetic mean in general simply known as mean only. Be careful. So generally people says that average means mean, median, mode. That's it. But the actual information is those are nothing but types of the averages. So how many types of averages are there? Generally, averages can be segmented into three types. One is positional average, the second one is the mathematical average, the third one is the business average. So under positional average, what are the average types you got? The first one is the median, the second one is the mode. Under mathematical average, What are the things we got? Arithmetic mean or simply mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. So under business averages we have weighted average or else a weighted arithmetic mean. Understand? Now here we will understand why these averages got these variety names like positional, mathematical, business. Okay. The positional averages means the name itself indicates that this information we get just by location or as a position of the numerical value. So what are the average types you got? Median is there, mode is there. So whenever a data is there like this, if anybody asks what is the median of this, so what do you need to do? First of all, we need to write in the ascending order or descending order. So let us write in the ascending order from lowest value to highest value. The first value is 1, the second value is 2, the next value is 5, the next one is 7, and the last value is 8. Now this is the data given to you. Then what is the median of this data? How do you locate the median? The median is that value which exactly lies in the mid of the values, mid of the series. So mid of the series means it's a location. Okay. Hence the median falls under position, positional average. Okay. Same way, let us take what we call the mode. So generally, mode means what? Different methods are there. So whenever a data is given, the same data you reconsider. The mode is that value which repeated more number of times or else the highest value. So let us take one example like 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7. So for this series, what is the mode? Mode is nothing but that value which repeated more number of times. So what is the mode here? 4. How many times it repeated? 2 times. That means position. Or else, one more way, what you can say, the series of values are given like this. The mode is that value which has got the highest magnitude, position. Hence, the mode is also known as a positional average. So, how many types of positional averages are there? 2 types. One is called median and one more is called mode. So median is that value which lies exactly in the mid of the series of values. Mode is that value actually many more times repeated or else the highest magnitudical value. So these information we are going to get based upon simply position. Hence you call this one as a positional averages. Let us come to the second segment. What is that? The mathematical average. The mathematical averages are those averages which we are going to calculate by using a mathematical formula. Algebraic formula will be developed. So based upon the numerical formula, mathematical formula, if we get the average value, you call such a kind of average as a mathematical average. So how many ways you can get the mathematical average? One technique is arithmetic mean, sum of the values by number of values. Geometric mean, it's nothing but based upon the product. The third one is the harmonic mean, which is the reciprocal of the arithmetic mean. All these are all based upon a numerical family. So based upon the numerical formula, you are going to calculate, hence these are all known as the mathematical average. But you are applying mathematical concepts here. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Hence what you call these mathematical averages. The third category is the business average. What is the best one? Weighted average or else a weighted arithmetic mean. Generally this average is useful in the business sector. So we are actually very much using this weighted average. So wherever few things are there based upon the importance, if you want to know the average, you can use this weighted average. By assigning few weights, by using any what you called technique, you are calculating these averages. Here weight means importance. So water is there, cool drink is there, coconut water is there. So all are liquids, all are useful to quench our thirsty only. But we give more preference to what you called water. And after that the next way to the coconut water. Next all other alternatives will come. So like that in life, while taking decisions, you are going to give importance for few things, what you called. Based upon that, you will calculate the average. Hence, these averages are known as the weighted averages. Here, weight doesn't mean that in terms of the weighing stones you are measuring. Here, weight means importance. Okay. Now after discussing all these things, now first of all we start with the first mathematical average. What are the formulae under first mathematical average? What is that? The arithmetic mean. How to apply that arithmetic mean on the given data, all these things.